What's up, guys? It's Cody over at Form First Fitness, just dropping another quick garage tutorial. Today we are going to talk about dumbbell push jerks. So push jerks are a great movement for shoulder strength, shoulder stability. Dumbbells are a great alternative to a barbell if we're doing Olympic barbell lifting, just because it makes sure we're getting equal activation out of both shoulders and we don't have one side kind of taking over or dominating that movement. So what we're gonna do, we are going to grab two dumbbells and we're gonna throw them kind of in this prone front rack position, okay? So palms facing my cheeks, elbows slightly in front. We're gonna then just let those elbows and those pinkies flare out a little bit, so we're more at a 45-degree angle. Notice that my stance is inside shoulder width apart, okay? So my feet aren't touching. I do have some space between them, but I am not in a normal squat stance. From here, we are going to push those hips back and let those knees bend just a little bit. So I'm kind of coming down into a quarter squat. From here, we are going to drive through the ball of the foot. So I'm going to press through the ball to the point that my heel comes off. And as my heel's coming off, I am going to lightly press those dumbbells up. Then, once I now have these dumbbells hovering or floating over my shoulders, I am going to stomp my heels into the ground and dip underneath the dumbbells to extend my elbow, okay? So what that's gonna look like, we're gonna get onto those toes, start pressing with those dumbbells, drive the heels down, sit under those dumbbells, full extension of the arm, and then come to a full stand or bring those hips all the way through, okay? So one more time in real time. Okay, and slow-mo one more time, hips back, drive through the ball of the foot, heels come off, dumbbells start floating over the shoulders, stomp the heels, come to full extension with the elbow, and then bring those hips all the way through at the top. One more time from the side. And that is your dumbbell push jerk. If you guys like the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.